Hi, this is the Tassimo coffee maker, and for those of you who haven't used one before, hope this video helps. First thing is, before you switch it on, is check the water tank to make sure you've got the maximum amount of water. There is a maximum water mark. Close the lid down, and as you turn the coffee maker around, the on-off switch is on the right hand side. Switch the machine on and wait for the light on the side to glow yellow. You can then open up your machine quickly at the top. If there is a yellow container in it, it means the machine's been cleaned out. You just tuck that down the side to hide it away. Choose your coffee, give it a shake, and then you turn it upside down and pop your coffee capsule into the top. Close the lid, make sure it's locked, so push the Bosch down, put your cup into the centre, ready to start your coffee. Once that's done, you press the bottom button on the right hand side. Your light will start to flash and it'll make a nice gurgling noise, which tells you it's brewing your coffee. Once that's done and the light has stopped flashing, remove your coffee cup and turn the machine off.